close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to review this beautiful water wave hair from Wavy My Hair. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll put all the details in the description box down below. This is how it looks inside. It has a frontal, it has two combs on the sides, one in the middle and one at the back. It also has an adjustable strap at the back. Just comment down below if you love this hair, and also if you love the style that I'm going to do on this hair on me. This is how it looks. So the hairline is already pre-plucked for you, so you really don't have to do so much on the hairline. The reason why I love this hair is because it's so soft, and then also it looks so natural. So again guys, just check the description box down below for more details. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut the lace, and then I'm spraying some water just to make sure there are no flyaways when I cut the net. I rarely do baby hair on most of my wigs, but I felt like this wig would look good with baby hair. So I'm going to trim the baby hair just to make it look natural. And then if you've watched my previous videos guys, I always spray water on my lace before applying concealer, just to make sure the concealer sticks on the lace so that I don't have to apply concealer every time I wear my wigs. I decided to glue the wig down, and I'm using Got2b glue. So this is a trick that I always do when I want my wig to look natural, or I want the hairline to look natural. I always just apply some eye pencil to hide the concealer, or to make the hairline look fuller as well. So this is how the wig looks before applying any products on it, and as you can see, it looks so natural. To activate the curls, I'm going to spray some water on it. If you've used got-to-be glue, just be careful, don't spray the hairline because the glue will come out and the wig will lift. So guys, I'm going to put this hair in different styles, and just comment down below if you love this wig, if you love this style on me. And also again, if you're interested in this wig, just check the description box down below for more details. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this wig, and remember to check the description box down below just in case you're interested. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.